Ever wondered what a day in the life of a psychiatrist looks like? Well, buckle up, as we are about to delve into the fascinating world of psychiatry at Solid Foundation Psychiatry. Call 832-438-0330. Go to www.solidpsychiatry.org. The day begins bright and early, with the sun barely peeking over the horizon. Our psychiatrist, let's call her Dr. Jane, wakes up fresh and ready for the day. She brightens her morning routine with a strong cup of coffee and a quick glance at the latest research in her field. Staying updated, she believes, is the key to providing her patients the best care. Dr. Jane arrives at Solid Foundation Psychiatry, a place that stands as a beacon of hope for many, a place where mental health matters, where people come to find solace, to find answers, to find themselves. She starts her day with patient appointments. Each patient is a unique case, a puzzle waiting to be solved. Dr. Jane listens, empathizes, analyzes, and carefully crafts a treatment plan. She doesn't just treat symptoms, she treats people. In between appointments, she finds time to collaborate with her team. The exchange of ideas, the discussion of cases, the shared commitment to their patients' well-being, it's all part of the job, and it's all part of what makes Solid Foundation Psychiatry a special place. Lunchtime is a moment of respite. Dr. Jane grabs a quick bite, but her mind never truly rests. She is always thinking, always planning, always striving to do better. The afternoon session resumes with more patient consultations, more problem solving, more healing. She dives into each case with renewed vigor, her passion for her work evident in every decision she makes. As the day winds down, Dr. Jane takes a moment to reflect. She looks back on the progress her patients have made, the challenges they've overcome, and the journey they've embarked on together. It's a moment of quiet satisfaction, a moment of knowing that she's made a difference. And then it's time to head home. A day in the life of a psychiatrist at Solid Foundation Psychiatry might be demanding, but it's also incredibly rewarding. It's a privilege to be able to help people navigate their mental health challenges and to play a part in their journey towards well-being. In summary, a day at Solid Foundation Psychiatry involves a delicate balance of science and empathy, of collaboration and individual effort. It's about staying updated, listening to patients, crafting personalized treatment plans, and reflecting on the progress made. But most importantly, it's about making a difference in people's lives, one day at a time. Call 832-438-0330. Go to www.solidpsychiatry.org.